Well, today I've got a great opportunity to show you the impeller kit modification on snowblowers that works great. Here in the Midwest we got probably 12 inches of snow. I did the driveway after 4 inches and looks like we got about another 8 inches now. So let me show you. This is a 20-year-old 5 horsepower yard machine. A couple years ago I did the impeller modification and haven't really had a big snow since then, so here's a good chance to show you. I'm not going to take the chute apart to show you how the installation is done. There's plenty of videos on the internet that show how to do that. But here you can see on that impeller blade there, I used self-tapping screws and cut small pieces of mud flap with washers on the self-tapping screws to hold them in place. To get access to the impeller blades, it's not a big deal. You just have to remove a few bolts on the directional discharge chute and remove those covers. And then you can see it's not that big a job to get down there to the impellers and install those 3 rubber attachments to the impeller blades. So if you're not familiar with this impeller modification, what it does is, here you can see one of the impellers, and there's 3 of them that rotate counterclockwise in this shroud behind the auger housing, and what that does is throws the snow up into the chute. And typically these impellers are 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch shy of the edge of the shroud. So what that does is lets snow accumulate, especially slush, and it'll bog the machine down and stop it. And so with these impellers, that doesn't happen. It leaves it clean, doesn't let any snow accumulate. What I did was drilled once you get access by removing the discharge chute and get down there, what I did was drill a pilot hole, and of course cut the rubber pieces to fit, and measured them off the edge 1/2 inch, and drilled the pilot hole, and then installed those self-tapping screws with washers to hold it in place. So the end result is not only does this modification keep your machine from clogging up, it also greatly increases the throw distance of your machine, as you'll see here shortly. There's a lot of videos online you can look up that show how to install. Some of them include links where you can actually purchase the kits, and you don't have to fabricate the pieces yourself. But if you're so inclined, you can do like I did and cut pieces out of a mud flap that I ordered online. It's about 1/4 inch thick, and just cut them out of that. So I'm not going to take the impellers off to show you how it works without them. Let me guarantee you it's nothing like what it does with these paddles installed. So if you've got a mediocre machine, it's not that difficult to turn it into a snow thrower on steroids. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.